Lately, every morning I have been doing yoga, and I started watching this girl named Caroline Williams, and she actually does Christian yoga. And right now I'm doing the 30-day challenge for her channel, and it has been so helpful for my symptoms. Alright, after Zofran, I think I'm good. Realizing that it's okay not to do everything all at once and to take breaks in between. So usually when I start laundry, I'll go ahead and do a few other chores, but then I'll rest for the whole time the laundry is washing, and then after I transfer it to the dryer, I'll rest during that time as well. Alright, after all the nausea and everything, now it's time to take the doggo on a little walk, and then may run to Dollar Tree to just see if they have a few things in stock that I wanted to see if they did, but I'll keep you guys updated. So I was gonna try to make like Valentine's Day themed cookies, but then I just ended up throwing everything that I had into the cookie dough, but they turned out really good. I could not get them to shape up as hearts, so that's the only downside of it, but they have little XO sprinkles in them, so I guess that's kind of festive. Alright, cookies are made as I showed, and I will show them when they're done and baked in the oven. And now we're gonna head to Dollar Tree. Okay, I thought maybe it could be fun to do a little car haul. So first I picked up this mat because our dog Barnabas's mat is getting like just super gross. This for Jacob's part of his Valentine's Day gift because we love Swedish fish and I thought it was hilarious. Needed a new eyelash curler, so I just picked up this one. Then I got this wooden frame. I thought Jacob and I could put a picture in it because it's really cute, and even the picture inside of it's cute. Disinfectant wipes for the car because it's just getting gross in here. These are really cute little Valentine's Day kind of decor things. I got these. I'm gonna give one to my mom's dog and then one to Barnabas, just as like a little Valentine's Day cute present. Then I got this little octopus planter. I just get these because they're good as gifts. These little bags to just put some gifts in for Valentine's Day. They had these little wooden hearts. Thought they were super cute. Maybe to put in cake pops or something. Lysol cleaner because it makes up to like 5 gallons of cleaner, and it's a disinfectant as well. This cute little doggy that says love. I thought these would just be cute, really easy decoration things for any Valentine's Day really. I got carpet cleaner because they almost like never have this. This is the kind we use. Oh, and it's spilling out. Sorry that the haul kind of ended abruptly. The person beside me was just acting super sketchy, and then also the carpet cleaner started spilling everywhere. But I got these knotted bones also for Barnabas. And then what I was trying to show you, which I don't think I did, was these latte treats. It says Barkiato, which is so cute, and they look like a latte. That's super cute and exciting. I'm probably just gonna put my Valentine's Day like decor up that I got. It was like barely anything, and probably just gonna put it on my entryway table. So like here's the entryway table. I still have the tag on that, but it already has this Valentine's Day thing. And so I think I'm gonna put the doggy right there, and then I'll put that one there with this plant in front of the TV. And then I'll switch out this yellow plant with this one. Maybe, actually I'll probably keep the yellow plant there and maybe just put the red plant by that candle. Yeah, I think that looks super cute. So I'm gonna just transfer this carpet cleaner that was spilling a little bit into just a plain mason jar. It's pretty much just baking soda and some kind of like fragrance, but it helps if you have like anywhere that's musty kind of. Like, I don't really know how to explain it, but okay, I'm gonna attempt to put these little caramel flavored barciato latte biscuits. Oh, they're big. Shake, good boy. Okay, so they won't fit in this little container, which is fine. But I did go ahead and want to put his little bow tie on, and then tomorrow I'll be over at my parents' house, so maybe I'll remember to film a picture of Jax with his bow tie. It just secures onto their collar. You can just stretch it to where you need it. Look. Aww. So his little mat is like soft and it's really gross. So I'm gonna replace it with this one because this one's hard. All right, that's perfect. They turned out perfectly, but unfortunately the heart mold like wouldn't go through them, I guess because they're so thick, but they looked so good. So now we are about halfway through the day, which means it is like 12:30 at this point. Oh, it's 1:30 actually. And so I made some tea. This is just spicy ginger peach tea and it's really good. Went ahead and made lunch as well, and I just ate bacon and biscuit that we had left over. I thought now could be a good time to go ahead and just tell you guys like a few tips for getting through the day if you do have chronic illness. Definitely finding a balance has been such an important thing for me. I actually have OCD, pretty bad. I probably need to be on medication for it. But I have to be clean. I just wipe the counters and then I run our Roomba that we have. And that makes it kind of easier for me because used to I would vacuum a lot, especially now that we have a dog who sheds a lot. Another tip would be just getting active and getting out and doing things. I have been obsessed with Dollar Tree lately. I'm sure if you watch my previous videos, you know that. They just have the cutest things and it's only $1, so it's like kind of okay to go all the time. So I would say number one is to exercise and get out there, like get out and do something. I usually every day lately have been doing yoga. I think I mentioned earlier, I'm just doing Caroline Williams, her videos. You can find her on YouTube. I take our dog Barnabas for a walk, and then I just try to clean or tidy up or get out there and do some things sometimes. And then finding balance back to that, I definitely have a ton of my energy in the morning, so I try to do every single thing that I know that needs to be done in the morning. By like 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, I usually just rest until Jacob gets home. I just find that to be the best way for me. That's what works. So I do everything that I need to do during the earlier hours, like you saw me do laundry, do my exercising, and if I need groceries or if I have anything planned, I always schedule it earlier. I always schedule my doctor's appointments earlier in the day, and I always bake or cook during the day. Another thing is just to have grace with yourself. It is so hard. Like you saw in the video this morning, I got so nauseous. And usually nausea, stomach issues, any of that stuff, that always hits me in the morning. So in the middle of yoga, I had to go lay down for about 30 minutes, but then I finished it later on. Just knowing that that's okay and you have the freedom to do that, and like taking steps to rest in between chores or in between activities. Or I knew I would have a break today. Jacob doesn't get off till 5 today, so I'll have from now 1:30 until 4 or 5 to rest, and I still do have to put away laundry, but most days do look like this for me, just very slow and very simple. I do work every now and then, but it is very hard to work when you have a chronic illness just because it's so unpredictable, and I don't know when I'm gonna get sick or when I'm not gonna feel that great or when I'm gonna need like 30 hours of sleep. So that does make it a lot more challenging to be consistent, and I try not to slack or just let myself rest all day. Even on days where I feel horrible, I will try to do something because yoga and walking, they make me feel so much better. Going outside, that makes me feel really good, and I just feel like those are some things that are helping me a lot. Also, making sure to take your medicine, making sure to take your supplements that you need to take, and just fueling your body, and just figuring out a healthy way to conserve your energy, because it is really hard when your energy is spent like in 1 hour. Because for most people, they have energy even after they've worked. But for a lot of chronic illness people, a lot of people with chronic illness, your energy can be taken from listening to someone talk, or from anything like walking, from doing a simple chore, or even sweeping. And so if you're realizing you're getting tired, even though it's hard and you want to complete the task, just stop and take a break, and then you can go back to it. Because I mean, it's better to clean up one corner of your house or one side of the counter than nothing. And you just have to be proud of the small accomplishments that you can make. I'm so sorry. He always does this when I'm filming. I just don't understand. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video, and just comment your best tips for what you do if you live with chronic illness. If you have any tips that you feel like might help, comment that down below, and I'll try to film out the rest of the day. I think today I'm not gonna make dinner just because I am starting to feel very, very tired. And I have plans tomorrow too, so I want to make sure I can be well rested for that. We're probably just going to end up getting Chick-fil-A or something, and then we're working a puzzle right now, so I might show a little bit of that too. Just now finished the puzzle. It is literally 8 o'clock now, almost, and we've been working on it for like, what, 2.5 hours? So that's all our night consisted of, was pretty much just eating and doing this puzzle. I just wanted to update you guys and tell you to have a great night. Please feel free to comment any prayer requests down below, and I love you all, and I hope you enjoyed this video.